Welcome to With Love, a podcast that celebrates people, purpose, selfless intent, and quiet acts of kindness. This year, as With Love NGO completes 10 years of Seva, we wanted to pause and say thank you, not with applause, but with stories. Today's conversation is with someone who carries hope, dreams, and possibility, reminding us that every child deserves to be seen, heard, and believed in. So today, let's meet two beautiful children from Epiphany School. Hi.
Hi.
Okay, now what you do is you tell us your name, tell us which
Yes.
standard you're in and what you like to do, and then you can tell the same. Okay?
Yes.
You can look at the camera and talk.
Yes. So, my name is Samiksha Vivek Pariyar. I'm from grade 4 and I like to dance.
Oh, wow. What about you?
So, my name is Angel Devraj Mitra and I am from grade 8 and I like cooking.
Oh, wow. And do you like coming to school?
Yes.
What is the favorite part about school? What do you like most in your school?
I like to play games in my school.
Okay. And which game is your favorite?
I like to play badminton.
Lovely. What about you?
Games.
Games. So games are essentially, I think every time when we come, you're outdoor zone. है ना? What game do you play?
I play like badminton and dodgeball.
Badminton and dodgeball. Besides games, which is your favorite subject to study?
My maths.
Maths. Maths genius. And you?
I like drawing.
Yeah. And anything else?
Nothing.
Okay. Let's talk about some favorite teachers. Okay?
Yes.
You'll tell me your favorite teachers?
So, my favorite teacher is Ananta Bhaiya and Shivani Didi.
Okay.
And my favorite teacher is Shemoshi Didi
Huh.
and no one.
Okay. Now, there were some activities that our NGO also came and conducted,
Yes.
and both of you were a part of different activities. Should we
Yes.
talk about that?
Yes.
Okay. So, we'll start with you. What activity were you a part of when our NGO came?
I was in Pehchan where we had art and craft activities.
Yes. And what did you do over there?
I did drawings and we just learn about feelings,
Yes.
how we feel.
How you feel, how can you express those feelings?
Yes.
And there were a lot of hearts we made that day. Do you remember that?
Yes.
Yeah. And do you remember Dipali auntie?
Yes.
Yes. Should we tell her a quick thank you for giving us that activity?
Yes.
So thank you, Dipali.
Thank you, Dipali auntie.
So you enjoyed that activity,
Yes,
right?
I enjoyed a lot.
A lot. Okay. And what about you? You were a part of another activity.
Yes, I am part of that Sante. We
The
went
10th
to-
anniversary of
yes,
Sante,
Yes.
yes.
We went for a restaurant and they have given us food like South Indian.
Yeah.
It was very tasty.
And so nice the food
And
was
we color that bags also.
with the chakras on
Yes.
it. Did you enjoy?
Yes.
Yeah. So we'll say thanks to Sonal auntie for that.
Yes.
Okay.
Thanks to Solar Auntie.
So these are small ways in which they came, they shared their knowledge, their skills, or a place like the restaurant was shared with you. So it made you happy, right? So
Yes.
now if I want to plan more activities for you, what is it that you really want and it has not happened? What should I plan next?
Educational trips,
Educational trips? Give me one example. What kind of a trip you want?
like different flowers, like
Okay.
means
The
garden, like different flowers, of
plants
garden,
and you want to know more about nature,
yes.
if I have to put it like this. So you want an educational trip.
Yes.
Okay, and what do you want?
I just want a trip to water park
Oh,
where
wow.
we can add a session.
Okay, you want to tell us about what card you made for Principal Ma'am?
Yes. So we just put it a lot of hearts. We added dear madam and we just requested her that can you please take us, and we put it everything that should make it pretty.
Okay, and Ma'am also told me that in the end you'll put your crying faces so that she
Yes.
feels emotional and takes you for the picnic.
Yes.
Okay, so now that you know what the students want, how about some of you donors and resourceful people out there in our community come forward? Let's make this picnic at Krishnai Water Park. That's where you want to
Yes.
go. And an educational trip to maybe environment-based projects where the kids get more exposure and their little wishes come true. And that way, a lot of you can come forward. We can meet other students, understand their wishes, and maybe just be like a little godmother for them, a little Santa Claus for them, and let's fulfill tiny wishes of our students. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
As we come to the end of this conversation, we're reminded that change doesn't happen alone. It happens when people choose compassion over convenience and love over indifference. Thank you for being a part of the With Love community and family, for listening, for caring, for believing that Seva, when done with dignity, can truly change lives. This was one voice from our journey of 10 years, and many more stories await. Until next time, keep choosing kindness with love.